Hello, I'm Alex. This is the first video that I'm going to film. May or may not post it on my channel, but it might not be the first one I post on my channel, but going to play some games on Scratch coding website, because, well, why not? I'm going to be playing a game that I like to play a lot on my free time. Get this. Breaking Clan, Damp Clan, what? No. Cavern Clan, Calm Clan, Curve Clan, Broad Clan, Dark Clan. Dark Clan actually sounds pretty good. Also, if you hear any rustling noises in the background, my apologies. That is my pet lizard. Dark Clan, Blood Clan, brings me back to the books. Basil Clan, Dirt Clan, lol. Brittle Clan, why did I say lol? I didn't get much sleep last night, so apologies for any weird. Silver Clan, Bronze Clan, Dough Clan, Bronze Clan again, Clear Clan, Bracken Clan, blah, Brisk Clan, Clear Clan again, Berry Clan, Bitter Clan, Drizzle Clan, Cloudy Clan, Dim Clan, Auburn Clan, Beach Clan, Arid Clan, Bounce Clan, Basil Clan, Dove Clan, Aspen Clan, Dole Clan, Briar Clan, Black Clan, Bright Clan, Owen Clan. You know what? How about we just do the good old Fox Clan? Your leader, we need, of course, Fox Star. And Fox Star, let's choose some, let's start with a random appearance. See if we get anything good. Not looking too bad. There's no red, sadly. No, maybe. No. It actually looks pretty good, pretty fox-like. Dark green eyes. Fox Star would be a Tom. And there. We have got Fox Star now. And we're going to go into settings real quick. Turn this into smooth. It's not gonna work right away. But how about we add a clan? Going to want for Badger Clan. What should we have for Badger Clan? Desert, ice, forest, savannah, and Badger Clan. Oh, I can pick here anyways. Maybe I should have more for Badger Clan. Sure. Going to create the cats myself. We need Badger Star. Going to random appearance this guy until I get something I like. Thinking kind of a gray, maybe darker gray, no, light gray. Put this on, then put this on, and maybe put this. Okay, maybe, no, not yet. Perhaps. Badger Star will have those eyes. Let's do the scar. No scar. Perfection. Maybe a little bit darker. Perfect. Or maybe, yeah, perfect. Doesn't really look much like a badger, but it's good enough. Here we are in Badger Clan. Fox Clan, Badger Clan. Just so you know, these are clans from some things that I'm working on. My own Warrior Cat's little universe. So we do some hunting. Ha! Gotcha. Oh, get back here. Let's look around. Got it. I feel like creating a cat. Squirrel patch. I like squirrel. Squirrel back, squirrel slash. Favorite twister. Squirrel wing. Squirrel breed. Maybe not squirrel. Thorn breeze. Maybe we could make her like a villain of sorts. That would work. Sadly, there's no greenish colors. That would be weird though, considering cats aren't usually green. So that'll be good. Give her these eyes. Great, now I have Thorn Breeze. Alright, this looks good. Got 2 clans down. I'm getting kinda tired. So, bye I guess.